Saturday to 6 p.m. Sunday.
Here we go. First EAS of 2024.
Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 10 inches. Where? In New Jersey, Sussex. In Pennsylvania, Carbon and Monroe. When? From 1 p.m. Saturday to 6 p.m. Sunday.
All right, KZC's not related
Travel could be very difficult. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.
We get another one.
Winter storm warning in effect from 1 p.m. Saturday to 6 p.m. Sunday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 8 inches. Where? Warren and Morris. When? From 1 p.m. Saturday to 6 p.m. Sunday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. Additional details. At lower elevations, less than 500 feet above sea level, snowfall totals will be reduced. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.
This is crazy. How come KZC hasn't relayed anything yet? So my dad is shredding, which that could be the reason why the reception for KZC 31 is not coming in.
Sussex. In Pennsylvania, Carbon and Monroe. When?
But now KZC 31's relaying it.
Sunday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. If you must... Warning in effect from 4 p.m.
Here we go.
To 6 p.m. Sunday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 9 inches. Where? Portions of southern Connecticut, northeast New Jersey, and southeast New York. When? From 4 p.m. Saturday to 6 p.m. Sunday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. Additional details. The heaviest snow will fall during the evening into early morning hours. There could be some light rain or drizzle mixed in overnight. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Check local Department of Transportation Information Services for the latest road conditions.
Okay. But I didn't mention what counties. Well, I'm just going to leave this here to wrap up the video, but here is the upgrade from the winter storm watch that was issued from yesterday. So now they have upgraded this, the Upton office in particular, to winter storm warning. So for the following counties in Connecticut: Northern Fairfield, Northern New Haven. For the following counties in New Jersey: Western Passaic and Western Bergen. For the following counties in New York: Orange, Putnam, Rockland, and Northern Westchester. There you have it. I'm going to give the specific locations because I didn't want to keep you guys hanging. So, that's going to wrap up this video. Very glad that I caught my first EAS alerts of the brand new year. And who knows, there might be more to come.